Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. These three things are what you need to get your books and buttocks bigger. So you enlarge it, make it bigger. So let's get started. You peel your banana. You peel it this because two bananas are okay. So when you are through using it, you can make another one. So to make it look fresh. So the next thing you have to do is to smash the banana, smash it, then you add your Vaseline, and mix it very well, make it look smooth, and you add your coconut oil. This is my homemade coconut oil. You add it there. So you add 2 spoonfuls, then you mix it very well, then you rub it to the particular place. You rub it to your books and your buttocks, rub it. In a week time you continue rubbing it and you are good to go. You will see changes. Got to see changes. So thank you for watching. Bye.